Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the song Vande Mataram in flute. How to play Vande Mataram in flute. Before I go ahead, you need to practice the with the metronome of Sare Gama Pada Nisa, which in 4/4 rhythm. In 4/4 rhythm you need to practice it, then only you can able to do this. And two ways it can be played, like from the sa or from the ma on the pa. Now this song is based on the rag desh, but I'm considering that you do not know Komalni, and that's the reason I'm not playing you. I'm not showing the notations where Komalni is present, but I will show the notations where is Tivra Madhyam and Shuddha Madhyam has been used as if to replace Komalni and Shuddhani. So I'm not giving it too much in details because more videos will come on these topics, and I hope those at that time that makes the things little bit clear. As of now, see the notations and play accordingly, practice accordingly. Okay. Let me first play. I have taken a 4/4 BPM, 4/4 beat and 100 BPM in metronome. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will show you the notations and I will explain it fast. And after that, I will play it. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pavan dhavan of sare sare 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 sare of mapa. Now I have marked the Tivra Madhyam. Here is the capital M. Shuddha Madhyam I have marked is small m. Okay. So how does it work? Let me little bit goes little slow. It is Pavan dhavan of sare sare 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 savan re 1 of mapa 1 2 3 1 2 batha ma 1 ga ma 1 2 ga re 1 re ga sa 1 2 ni dha 1 2 3 dha re sa ni dha 1 2 ni dha pa. Okay, let's play up to this level. Pavan dhavan of sare sare 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 savan re 1 of mapa 1 2 3 1 2 pada. This pada is starting from the 15th and 16th. Pada ma gare pada ma 1 2 gare 1 re ga sa 1 2 ni dha 1 2 3. So ni dha 1 2 3 dha re sa ni dha 1 2 ni dha pa 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 pavan dha pa dha sa re pavan dha sa re of ma ga re 1 2 3 sa re ma pa. Okay, let me play. So I hope the first two line is clear. Now pada I am taking from the 15th and 16th. Sare sare 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 savan re 1 of samapam pada ma 1 2 ga re 1 re ga sa 1 2 ni dha 1 2 3 dha re sa ni dha 1 2 ni dha pa pavan dha sa pa dha sare sare. So Pawan dha sa re sa re of ma ga re 1 2 3 sa 1 re 1 of ma pa ma pa. Coming to the next verse. Sa 1 re 1 ma 1 ma 1 ma pa 1 2 ma pa 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. These all are Tivra Matham. Re ma pa dha pa ma ga re 1 ma ga re 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So that will be repeat. Dha sa 1 ni dha 1 2 3. Dha sa ni dha dha ma ga re ma ga re. Dha sa ni dha 1 2 3 dha ma ga re ma ga re. Okay, in the notations by mistakenly I have given Tivra ma, it will be Shuddha ma only. Sa re ma 1 ma 1 of ma pa 1 2 3 sa 1 re 1 of ma pa 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So in this song the off beat is very playing main role or important role. So if you want to play these compositions, practice 4 by 4 rhythm in off beat. That will helpful for you. And listen the song couple of times, the old song, not the not the you know the now I have seen lot of songs, lot of times Vande Mataram people used to say it is not in correct order or correct rhythm. So if you want to play properly, I do recommend you go for some old song, old way the song has been sung. And follow my notations. If you have any problem, you can reach out to me. Okay, enjoy. And Vande Mataram. Happy Independence Day prior. Okay, Jai Hind. Bye bye. See you in the next video.